Hi everybody, welcome back to MarineMax of Westbrook, Connecticut. Today we have our newest arrival that we've all been eagerly waiting for. This is the Bertram Yachts 34 center console. Let's check it out. As you can see in the aft portion of this boat, we have a massive cockpit. We have this nice fold-out bench seat, and as you can see, we have this beautiful Bertram logo donned right on the back, but we also have this super nice stitching, a lot of attention to detail with Bertram, and another reason why we're so excited about it. Let's go check out this port quarter. We have this large live well. Come check it out. Awesome logo, but this thing is absolutely massive. Along the transom as well, we have our dedicated rod holders. And as you can see, we have the two big Mercury 400 V10s on this thing. And it is JPO equipped. So docking, autopilot, skyhook, nice and easy, all there at the palm of your hand. The Bertram 34cc, along with the 39cc, is most notable about its wide gunnels, also about the height of the interior freeboard moving forward. Like any good fishing center console, we have a dive door or tuna door, whichever you like to call it. Flip on over and open her right up. Not only good for fishing and hauling in the big tunas, but it's also good for boarding and disembarking. Just like on the transom, we have a beautiful aft-facing sofa just behind the leaning post here. And this is a beautiful, large, comfortable lounger that also doubles as a dedicated cooler that is self-draining as well. Not only that, but we also have absolutely no shortage of rod holders. We have those rod holders across the transom. We have 3 more rod holders on each side of this sofa. We have 2 rod holders on each side of the gunnels. And we have, of course, the rocket launchers off of the hardtop. Being the ultimate fishing boat, not only do rod holders matter, but so do fish boxes. Where are you going to store your fish when you go out on that long trip? Well, we have these 2 massive fish boxes right here on each side of the cockpit. And then as you move midships, we have 2 more fish boxes, one there and another there. You have plenty of room on the Bertram 34cc. Another pillar of Bertram Yachts is craftsmanship. As you can see, we have this beautiful lacquered teak backing on these 3 bucket seats on the leaning post here. Not only that, but we do have flip up and flip down armrests, so you're as comfortable as can be. And come around and check out how nice the upholstery is on these seats. You have a mixture of leather and neoprene quilted fabric. Check out how sleek and how minimalistic the Helm is on this 34cc. We have these 2 massive, beautiful inlaid Garmin XSVs. We have our tactile buttons. They keep it few as possible. We have the beautiful steering wheel. We have, of course, the Mercury binnacles with active trim. They are electric. You have your trim tabs. And of course, as we always are looking for, we have our Mercury JPO piloting. That'll give you the skyhook, the auto heading, and the autopilot. But also, let's check out further up on the hardtop. They actually place your Mercury vessel view display up here, so it is out of the way, out of sight. And we have this beautiful cubby with more controls in here for your sure shade. One of the things that catches most people by surprise when they come on the Bertram 34cc is the amount of overnight accommodations you're getting on a 34-foot center console. Let's go check it out. As you see, as you make it down, this has a very large coffin box. You have the super nice additions from the Bertram factory with that headliner matching the exterior. You have air conditioning and heating, and you have a head and a sink. As we make our way up to the bow, I did want to take a second and just point out what I said earlier in this video on the width of these gunnels and the height of these gunnels. I'm about 5'11". As you can see, as you make to the midships, the interior freeboard is all the way up to my hip. And as you move forward, the gunnels only get wider and wider. As we pass the console headed up to the bow, you can see that Bertram has strategically placed some storage. We have here a drawer for more storage for tackle, and we have a dedicated wastebasket down below. And we have 2 cup holders on top, but that segues into the beautiful seating up here in the bow. We have USBs on each side for the loungers, and we have more dedicated storage, either fish boxes or coolers under each one of these cushions. And as you can see on that bow, there is so much space. It is wide. It is almost a platform up there. And as we make our way back down the starboard side, we have even more storage on the starboard. We have 3 drawers all the way down. You have room for everything that you need on the Bertram 34cc. If you have any questions about this boat, if you want to schedule an appointment to walk through the boat, please reach out to us, give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.